Hey guys, so there is so much happening with Bitcoin and crypto, and why I believe we will soon see a huge crypto pump. Everything will go up. That's what I think. And first of all, Bitcoin right now is sitting at around 86, 87, 88,000, which is quite bullish because we were basically hovering around 81, 84 a few days ago. But we are basically seeing some pumps. Some meme coins are pumping, BNB is pumping, Tone is pumping because they had like $400 million investment announced. And if you want to get the latest alpha, you can join my Patreon. I'm posting daily all the NFT, airdrop, crypto alpha that I see on private chats, on X, on everything, on the news. The first news is that gold actually rise to a new record high, which is crazy, $3,090 for 1 ounce of gold. Gold was at 1,000 in 2015, something like that, and now it is 2 or 3 times higher, which is insane for gold. Let's hope for the Bitcoin to make a new all-time highs and go hopefully we will see a similar pattern to gold, and we will go to 200, 250,000 in 2025, hopefully. Now, this bullish Bernstein analyst predicts Strategy's Bitcoin holdings could double to 1 million in a bull case scenario and expects Bitcoin to hit 200,000 by the end of 2025, which I agree, 500,000 by 2029, and 1 million by 2033. I know these predictions are there are no basis for predictions. We should see a strategic Bitcoin reserve for these predictions to come true. And yeah, sellers buying almost every week and buying millions, hundreds of millions worth of Bitcoin, which is crazy. And thanks to him, basically that Bitcoin is staying above and rising in the long term. Now, next news is again TON blockchain, the official Telegram blockchain, basically secured $400 million investment, which is crazy. Because this means that investors are really bullish on Telegram. The founder of Telegram has been freed. He was in France, I think, detained, but now he's free, and investments are basically flowing into a TON blockchain. So look out for opportunities in this sector as well. And I will post on Patreon everything that I see, all the alpha, all the opportunities to make money. Next thing is this. Rumble has launched its new Rumble wallet with support for Tether's USDT to Power Creator payments. So this means the USDT will be integrated in the Rumble platform, which is crazy. I like that we see a crypto stablecoin basically adoption in the mainstream, and this is major adoption with payments. Next thing is, if you know about the Ghibli art that everyone is basically talking about right now, if you don't know, you probably know if you are on X. So everyone is basically making Ghibli art of these famous pictures and images, specifically in the crypto space. And I called this meme coin yesterday. It was around $7 million in markup. Right now it is at 15 million. What is this platform? This is Bullx, invite only, and invite link is in the description. Why I use this platform is because you can set your own gas fees. You can select your basically limit buy, limit sell, auto buy. So you are going to sleep, the coin drops by 20% or pumps by 20%, you automatically sell. You can set however you want it, so you don't get wrecked by the coin going to zero. That's why I'm using Bullx. I didn't buy this coin, unfortunately, because I thought the Ghibli way will go away quite fast, but right now it is still quite popular. So yeah, also you are basically earning an airdrop by using this platform, trading meme coins, trading Solana coins on this platform. And based on the TON news, or on the $400 million investment, TON blockchain basically went up by 5.8%. So from $3 to almost $4, which is quite big because fully diluted valuation is $19 billion. So yeah, if you want to get the latest alpha, follow my Patreon. I'm posting daily alpha. And as we are seeing more and more institutions, countries, the Trump administration adopting crypto, in my opinion, there will be a huge crypto bull run in 2025. Maybe the whole 4 years, so we will see a huge activity in crypto. And this video is not a financial advice, just my opinion. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.